Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Ohio battery powered Bluetooth speaker. This fits for Makita 18-volt batteries. This is for construction site, for camping, and of course for festival, for party, and for your garage too, of course. And of course, the battery is not included. This battery you should have at home. But most of the DIY guys out there and construction guys and so on have these 18-volt Makita battery packs at home because it's compatible with them. This Makita 18-volt battery is compatible with this speaker. We connect our own battery to enjoy ultimate stereo sound. Low voltage protection is the top priority in this case. The speaker is automatically switched off when the battery voltage drops below 15.5 volts to prevent over-discharge damage. Effortless connectivity is here. The speaker supports two types of connection. The Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a fast and stable pairing with other devices like a smartphone, a tablet, or other Bluetooth devices out there. A strong connection is guaranteed up to 52 feet. The USB audio source is also supported too. We simply plug the USB flash drive into the USB-A port to play music. Oh wow. It's not only compatible with music, of course. You can play podcasts with that too. That means every kind of voice can be played back there. And with a compact size plus an amazing sound. Despite its compact size, the speaker delivers powerful sound at the same time. At the touch of a button, the speakers release deep or rich and clear sound with zero distortion throughout the built-in 20-watt speakers. It is small and light enough to take with us wherever we go. We have a dual speaker connection and possibility. That means the speaker supports TWS function, which allows to connect two Bluetooth speakers at the same time. We create a different atmosphere and a full of environment. Whenever at work, camping, or anywhere, we need it. And we have an ultimate playback time. The speaker utilizes an external battery pack that provides much longer battery life than normal built-in batteries, of course, because it works with the 18-volt Makita batteries and they are so strong and powerful. Besides, it can be served as a power bank too when we need to charge while listening to music. That means we can use our 18-volt Makita battery packs as a power bank. That's a really cool function, I think. And it's cool. Of course, we are going to pay attention to all warnings. We do not use the speaker near water because it's not waterproof, okay? It's a speaker system. We clean with a relatively dry cloth. We do not block any ventilation openings. We install in accordance with the manufacturer's instruction. That means we take the battery and slide it into position, and if we're done, we remove the battery again. We do not install near-end heat sources such as radiators, heat registers, stoves, or other apparatus, including amplifiers, that reduce the heat. Only use attachment necessary certified of the manufacturer. This means here it is compatible to the Makita 18-volt battery packs. The most ideal storage place is one that is cool and dry. We keep away from direct sunlight and exceed heat or cold. For long storage, please power on the speaker with battery to long than 2 months for the best result. We have everything what we need on the buttons on this speaker. We have a power button on the speaker, a volume button minus, long press for last song, short press for volume down, volume button plus for long press for next song, or plus a short press for volume up. We have a play and pause button. We have a USB-A fast charging port and a USB audio input. And we have a USB-C fast charging port too. The power button on the charging port is built in, and we have a battery port. We turn the speakers off and remove the battery pack before we making any adjustments, of course. The speaker is compatible with the Makita 18-volt battery packs. The package comes with the speaker only. The battery is not included. To power the speaker, we plug in a battery on the battery port, and then it can go. Oh yeah, for the best performance, we make sure the battery pack is fully charged before we plug it in, of course. Then we can press the power button. This will turn on the speaker, or of course it will turn off while it's on. The LED indicator around the power button indicates the status of the speaker. We place the speaker and the Bluetooth device within 2 meters for both devices. We turn the speaker on by pressing the power button. The LED indicator will turn steady blinking pattern. We press the Bluetooth pairing button. This is the Bluetooth button on the device. The LED indicates the light will turn rapid blinking indication. The speaker is in pairing mode and discovered by our Bluetooth device. Then the device name is appeared as an OHYS, that means OHYES. And we can search for it on our smartphone, for example, and then we can pair them. We confirm and connect the speakers on our Bluetooth devices. Once successfully connected, the speaker will emit a short tone and the LED indicator will turn solid. And then we can have fun while we're working, while we have fun on a vacation trip or on the festival or a camping trip. This is a really cool device because it's the OHYS battery-powered Bluetooth speaker for Makita battery pack. It's already on the market for Milwaukee 18-volt battery packs too. Okay, for example, in the United States of America. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.
Nach kurzer Zeit wird Ihre